Hello everyone. In today's video, we will look at how to filter the top n values in a clustered bar chart or bar chart. So I've got a Power BI desktop file open here with me, and I've also uploaded this file to GitHub. I will share the link of the repository and the file name in the video notes, so you can download the file and do the tutorial with me. So the name of the file is top n filter for a clustered bar chart.pbix. I've got it open here. And what I do is I just grab a chart. And all I want to do is internet sales amount by product. So I'll just select the English product name. And you can see it's showing me a lot of values, and I can scroll. And let's say I just want to see the top 10 products by sales. So what I can do is I can go on to the filter, and for English product name, I can select the filter type to top n. And I can say show me the top 10 and then it says that how do you want to filter it by. Oops, sorry. So I want to filter it on sales amount. So I just want to see the top 10 items by sales amount. I'll grab that and drag it here and click on apply filter. And you can see it is just showing us the top 10 products. You can change it to 15 or 20 or whatever you want to display. So in this video, we learned how to display the top n values in a bar chart and how to filter those values. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thank you.